Welcome back. In this video here today, we are taking a look at Xone Chain, the decentralized Layer-1 blockchain platform based on the Ethereum protocol. So of course, before we dive deeper, remember that I'm not a financial advisor and nothing in today's video should be taken as financial advice. You can find all of the links down below in the description. So let's embrace the future together. Xone Chain is a modular Layer-1 blockchain that goes beyond scalability and efficiency. It focuses on ensuring every on-chain action creates tangible, traceable value. So you can start building on the chain here with their developer quick start, and you can actually bridge over onto the testnet to try it out for yourself. It's great that they have the testnet already working up and running, and people can start building in this ecosystem. It's a reliable, community-driven governance, the crypto industry's most human-centered fair governance model. And this is the X1. So they have their native token here, the XOC token. Growth value, BVI on-chain incentive program. It's a modular network. So again, focus on scalability with flexible architecture and of course, low fees with transaction fees below 1 cent. So here we can build, deploy an app, more equitable financial system. You can start a node to join the network and get greater rewards. And of course, embrace the future. So you can follow them on all of their socials, X, Telegram, Reddit, Medium, and Discord. If we take a look at the socials here, over 100,000 followers. And again, doing a lot of spaces, very good community interactions here. Taking a quick look at the XOC, it's not just a token, it's Web3's next chapter. So this tech breakthrough of a 1 second block time, BVI-driven incentives, multi-chain interoperability, speed, scalability, and real adoption. Global impact with borderless finance, decentralized innovation, a new era of financial freedom, user privacy, first staking, reward, governance-driven, and a network where users own the future, and long-term potential. Scarcity meets demand, utility meets adoption. XOC isn't just here, it's here to lead. It isn't following any Web3 trend, it's rewriting the rules. The only question, are you early or already late? And again, the sooner the better you learn about Xone Chain here. We of course can take a look at the docs and dive into everything. So again, this Layer-1 blockchain and their vision. Again, unlike traditional blockchains that serve as a transactional infrastructure, this is founded on the principle of value creation through their community-driven collaborations, and it's a unique approach to blockchain design, focusing on their on-chain incentives. So in every interaction, whether it's a transaction, execution, or governance, this contributes to a growing, sustainable economy. This shared value creation, when nodes, developers, and users are equally empowered to contribute to the network's growth, and again, traceable value, so every action is recognized and rewarded. So what can you actually do? There are financial services for all. This is truly open source, peer-to-peer interaction, censorship resistance, transparent security, application interoperability, behavior incentive mechanism, transparent governance, and again, low-cost, high-efficient transactions. And why would you choose it? Again, this representing a new digital lifestyle where every user can achieve financial freedom, enjoy privacy, protection, create value, and participate in community governance. Embracing a future digital ecosystem with personal data and privacy sovereignty, user-led decentralized governance, global access to financial services, innovation and infrastructure, sustainable development incentive system, global partner ecosystem, seamless user experience, and continuous technical support and motion. So you will have an Xone account here, which is a unified address format that is functioning across EVM and Cosmos SDK. We have dual functionality, cross-chain compatibility, enhanced security, and a privacy-enhanced transaction. So the account structure built on a multi-layer architecture that enables the EVM and Cosmos SDK. So again, the Cosmos network manages their native transactions, whether that be staking, governance, and cross-chain operations, and the EVM layer for Ethereum-compatible transactions, again, smart contract deployments, token transfers, and DApp interactions. An account can store assets and data in both layers, so it's a single point of access for all blockchain activities. So we've taken a quick look at the token already, and some key features is used for, of course, ownership. You fully control your funds. Holding the token, you become your own bank with full ownership. Security, where there are robust cryptographic algorithms. Decentralization, accessibility, flexibility, and instant payouts. So the value proposition here, again, is used for transaction fees within the chain. It's a store of value, of course, and a good investment, helping grow the ecosystem. And of course, as more users and people join, the utility and demand will continue to increase. So you can get the token on exchanges. You can also earn it through staking, cross-chain token transfers, and of course, participate in community activities. Looking at the tokenomics here, we can see BVI known as 60%. We have 10% in the donation program, 10% team allocation, 10% ecosystem funds, and 10% DAO and airdrops. See, of course, the gas fees used in the XO token. So you have nodes here. So this supports several types of nodes. Consensus nodes, validator nodes here. And we can see data availability and X1 specific nodes with their feedback. So pretty in-depth docs here. Again, going deep into kind of the whole ecosystem. Of course, we can take a look at transactions and some resources, lights off the needy kit and allowing decks to build and so on and so forth. So in the ecosystem, we can see there is a token up. Initially, SwapX and Rainlink. So of course, Rainlink, you can bridge over onto the testnet, and SwapX, we can see. Of course, you can study about it yourself, going through the docs. The idea, build on it through their developer docs, testnet explorer. Of course, you can go to the faucet to get some test tokens to start playing around with the blockchain, which I think is really nuts. You can try out the blockchain for yourself. Again, look at what they have to offer, learn about it, and then invest into the ecosystem and help build for the future. And of course, they have their donation support as well. So check out X1. Again, try the testnet, go over to the faucet, get some tokens, and have a play for yourself. If you are a dev, of course, start building in the ecosystem. I really like that it's compatible with Cosmos and, of course, the EVM as well. I hope you have enjoyed. Again, all the links can be found down below. You've been watching Crypto Dragons, and I'll see you next time.